Dad, I think I have another estimate ready for you.
Awesome. Did you remember to add overhead and profit to the bottom like I showed you?
Oh yeah, duh, of course. There were like 5 trades on this project.
Wow. Well, when you get done with that, can you go ahead and knock out that pre-cap and roof order sheet?
Okay, looks like another 38% profit margin. But if we get the overhead and profit approved, we should get it up to 45%.
Wow, thanks, Bella. You know Daddy likes those 45% profit margins. I'll tell you what, if you can get the next 7 job files done by noon, we'll call it a day and hit the iPick and Barnes & Nobles. What do you say?
Piece of cake. I'm using the SVG estimating program. Crunching numbers and making job files is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Even a 9-year-old can do it.